sum find the sum 1 by 2 root 1 plus 1 root 2, 1 by 2 root 1 plus 1 root 2 plus 1 by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 3 plus 3 root 4 plus etc. plus 1 by 100 root 99 100 root 99 plus 99 root 100. This is the question. So what is the general term? We will write general term, that is Tn is equals to 1 by, if this is n, if this is n, this is n, this will be what? N plus 1, n plus 1. Therefore you can write n plus 1 root n plus n into root n plus 1. That is the general term. See, that is the general term. General term is what? N plus 1 root n plus n into root n plus 1. This is the general term. If you put n is equal to 1 here, you will get this one, 1 2, here 1 2. If you put n is equals to 2, you will get 3 root 2, 2 root 3, etc. So this is the general term. Now we will try to write this as the difference of two terms, difference method. There is ur minus 1 or ur plus 1 minus ur, like that. So you split this into two terms, difference of two terms. That's why for that one what I do is 1 by, I will write this n plus 1 as root n plus 1 into root n plus 1, and already one root n is there, root n as it is. Again I will write this n as root n into root n to root n plus 1. Next step what you do is you take out root n plus 1 common, root n plus 1 outside, then what you get, this is root n into root n plus 1 times, inside you remain with what, this root n plus 1 plus root n. This is my first step. Next what you do is, here this is equals to 1 by root n into 1 by root n into root n plus 1 into 1 by, this is root n plus 1 plus root n. Here you multiply and divide with root n plus 1 minus root n. Multiply and divide with, this is equals to 1 by root n into root n plus 1 into, here root n plus 1 minus root n over, this is a plus b into a minus b, that is n plus 1 minus n. Minus n plus n cancel here. Now this is equals to, if you take out this, if you open the bracket, this root n plus 1 cancel, this is 1 by root n minus this root n cancel, 1 by root n plus 1. Yeah, we got this as the difference of two terms, that is ur minus ur minus 1 or ur. If this is tr, this would be what, tr plus 1 form. Now telescopic works. So now this is tr. Now what you do is, now our requirement is what, sum of n terms. Sn is our requirement, sum of n terms. Sum of n terms is equal to what, sigma r is equals to 1 to n tr, that is t1 plus t2 plus t3 etc. tn, that is equals to sigma. If this is okay, this is t n. Okay, if this is tn, what would be this one? If you replace n with r, that would be tr, that is r is equals to 1 to n. What is tr? 1 by root r minus 1 by root r plus 1. Now open the bracket, then what you get? R is equals to 1, that is 1 minus 1 by root 2, this is the first bracket. Next r is equals to 2, that is 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 3, the second bracket. Next 1 by r is equal to 3, 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 4, etc. up to last one is what? Okay, what we need, our what is our question? Sum of okay, r vary from what? 1 to n is this thing, therefore n is equals to 1 to n vary from what? 1 to 100, therefore we need sum of not n terms, sum of the series only, sorry, not sum of n terms, because here last term is also given, therefore sum up to 99 terms, I think sum up to 99 terms, therefore r vary from what? 1 to 100 here. So this is our requirement, sorry. So our requirement is r is equal to 1 to 99, this is 99. So if r is equals to 3, this one, r is equal to 99, if r is equals to 99, 1 by root 99 minus 1 by root 100, 1 by root 100. So by telescopic cancellation, all these terms gets cancelled except this cancels with preceding bracket, just you left with what? 1 minus 1 by root 100, which is equals to 1 minus 1 by 10, which is equals to 9 by 10. Therefore answer is what? 9 by 10.